Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how can you fix Meta AI chat not showing on Instagram. So guys, if you are using Instagram on iPhone or on Android phone, and when you have opened your Instagram to get Meta AI and facing the issue that Meta AI chats not showing. So guys, you can easily fix this problem and you can easily get Meta AI. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see here, when I am going to open here and search Meta AI, then there is no Meta AI chat. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open Play Store in your device. So guys, after this here, you need to search Instagram. You have to search this Instagram. So guys, after searching Instagram, you have to open your Instagram and update your Instagram app. And guys, after doing update, you need to go back and you need to open your settings here, scroll it down. From here, you have to click on app management and open your app list here. As you can see, from here, you have to search Instagram. Open Instagram here, and guys, you need to uninstall your app, and after uninstalling you need to reinstall again from Play Store. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your Instagram again, click on your main profile icon, and guys, click on three lines, scroll it down, and here is the option of help. Click on report a problem, and guys, after this you have to click on include and continue, and here you need to write your problem that you're facing again and again, and upload a screenshot in which you are not showing that option. And guys, after this, within few minutes they will respond to you and your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.